a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
This wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so before we get into this wig, I want to go ahead and give you a you guys a subscriber shout out. You guys know when it's a unit that I caught with my own coins, which I did with old girl, okay? I like to give subscriber shout outs unless I forget. Sometimes I forget, y'all know I ain't got the best memory in the world, but whatever. I digress. So today's subscriber shout out is gonna go to my girl Tamara Christmas Stratford, and I have been getting a little lost in the subscriber shout outs, and I'm like, God, am I double saying people's names? Like, I don't know, y'all. Y'all know I got a terrible memory, okay? But if I am saying your name more than once, that means you're showing me double the love. Like, shout out to you, boo. I truly do appreciate you. You have been rocking with me for the longest time. I want to say since the beginning, okay? So shout out to you, boo. I really do appreciate you. If you guys want a subscriber shout out, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like my videos, show some love in the comments, and I will get to you. So shout out to you, boo. I truly do appreciate you. Now let's get into this here. Alright, honey, so the unit that I am rocking is a unit that I caught with my own coins. And you guys know, if you watch me, when there's a unit that I caught with my own coins, I like to give myself a little shout out to me, okay? So go Chrissy, go Chrissy, go Chrissy, okay? Shout out to me for copying yet another unit with my own coins. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is by Outre. It is from their sleeklay part collection. I do have it in the style Johari, and it is in the color 1B. It says deep sea lace part, lace flatter, lace better. So the whole theme of this particular collection is that it's just gonna lay, honey, okay? She's just gonna lay and slay, okay? That's the theme, okay? It says HD transparent lace, heat fiber safe up to 400 degrees, 5-inch deep parting. And on the inside it says wider hand-tied lace part, deep C shaped side parting, extra hand-tied lace edges, humpless laid finish, pre-plucked hairline, natural baby hairs, and heat friendly. So And then it shows you the difference between regular and the sleek part, and on the back it has the special colors. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the stock card. And on the stock card, the model is wearing the color 3DRFF Amber Blonde and 1B. So those are the colors that they're wearing. I love that DRFF. I love this color, okay? And then right here, it is showing you guys the regular versus the sleek lay parting. And then on the back, like I stated, it shows the special colors. Now, as far as this wig goes, as far as shedding and tangling, honey, I'm just gonna keep it a whole buck with you. I don't know about shedding, but she tangled like a mofo, okay? She's already a tangly girl, okay? So let me just keep it honest with you. Now, this hair is extremely long. Like, I would even go as far as to say that this hair is about 30 inches long. It is very long. It may be 28. I'm not the tallest person in the world. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know I am 5'4". So it may just seem extremely long on me, but honey, it's a lot of hair, okay? It's a lot of hair. Shout out to St. Louis. It's very long on me, and you guys will see that in the 360 lint check section of this video. But it's a lot of hair, but it is very tangly. Like, I'm not gonna hold you. I cannot, well, I can now. I brushed it. But I couldn't. Okay, I can't on that side. Maybe I ain't brushed that side enough. So I just want to throw that out there. As far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. I did have to adjust the straps. I am an average cap size, so I basically deem a unit to be big head friendly if I have to adjust the straps, and I deem it to be small to medium head friendly if I don't. But I only have the head on my shoulders, honey, or on my neck. So you do with that what you want to do with it. Take it with a grain of salt, as my grandmother says. And yeah, that is basically it. Now, as far as the hairline, it is HD lace, and you can't part this unit anywhere else. You literally only have this parting space, but they give you enough parting space that if you wanted to, you can make the part straighter. Or you can just wear it crooked like I'm wearing mine, honey. It just depends on what your swag is, sis, okay? But yeah, you literally have like that amount of space where you can literally part it elsewhere in that general area if you wanted to. Or like I said, you can wear the crooked side part like I'm doing. It just like depends on your swag, okay? But it depends on your swag. But yeah, you know what? I also wanted to throw in there before I get into my pros and cons about this wig that the texture of this unit is a good in between of yaki and silky, okay? It's mostly yaki in my opinion, and I love that. I love that for me. Because I don't like hair that's too yaki, because I've had hair that was too yaki and old girl was stiff. But I don't like hair that's too silky, but honey, because old girl is not gonna last, and it looks like Barbie doll hair. This is that perfect in between, and I don't know if it's giving that on the picture. Actually, it is. Yeah, it is like giving good, nice, quality sort of hair. So I wanted to throw that out there as well. That is basically it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons with this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay, honey, so let's get into my cons, because you know I like to start with the cons, so I like to end on a high note. My con number one is that this wig is $44, honey. Might as well say $45 because it's $44.94. Like, that is a con for me, only because it's just a lace part wig. Like, it does have HD lace, and it is a lot of hair, and it is very long, but it's still just a lace part wig. It's not like this is a frontal wig, okay? And it's a C part. So, meaning you can't shift her, okay? You cannot shift. Maybe you can shift her, but I don't know how she's gonna look, okay? You can do what you want to with your wig, but I don't know how it's gonna look, okay? So yeah, that's con number one. On top of that, she's $44 and she is tangly, girl. Okay, she is tangly. She's a tangly wig, honey. Okay, you can go out here and you gonna go to your event or whatever you're doing, and honey, I'm not gonna lie, you gonna slay, but you gonna be a tangly mess. Don't run your fingers through your hair, honey. Okay, because then you're gonna be out here in these streets looking crazy. Okay, I'm just saying, keep your brush handy. So those are my cons with this particular wig. My pros is that it is HD lace. Like, it is HD lace. The parting space is really nice, and it is beginner friendly, and it is easy to apply, okay? I didn't have to do a whole lot. Old girl woke up like this, Okay, she woke up curled. She woke up layered. She woke up just easy to throw on, okay, and slay. So I love that. I love that for me. Cause I'm lazy. Okay, so I love that for me. Also, I honestly think she's a vibe. So, and you got enough parting space with this wig. And it did come with baby hairs. I didn't utilize them, but it did also come with baby hairs. So to me, it's the ultimate beginner-friendly wig. Those are my pros. Okay, those are my pros with this unit. Would I recommend her? It depends. Okay, it depends. It depends on you, because to me, this particular wig is one of those wigs that I would consider like an event wig. It's a lot of hair, and it just depends on what you're willing to spend and what your budget is and what you think is worth it and what you don't think is worth it. It is a lot of hair. Like, honey, this is my girlfriend Casey sort of hair. Like, honey, she probably gonna see this wig and be like, what's good with Chrissy's closet? Okay, what's good? Like, this is her type of hair. It's a lot of hair. It is a lot of hair, and it just depends on what you're willing to spend on hair like this. Like, to me, I feel like we used to be able to get units like this for a much cheaper price, but you know, I mean, inflation is obviously happening everywhere, even in the hair world, okay, girl? So I don't know. I just don't feel like, it just depends. It just depends. I'll say that. I think it is a nice wig. I just don't feel like it should cost as much as it does. So it just depends on you. That's all I can say. So yeah. Alright, sis, let's do this full 360 and wrap this thing all the way up, honey. I know you're tired of hearing me ramble because you know your girl can talk. your girl can talk. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So once again, I like the unit. I just don't love the price. I sometimes forget prices because I usually buy wigs like way ahead of time and then, you know, sprinkle them in there here and there. So I forget prices. But once I looked at the price, I'm like, girl, you spent that. You spent that. So yeah, that is a con for me. But like I said, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you own this unit, what you think about this unit. I have this unit in a natural color and it's tangly, so I can only imagine how the colored units are. Usually, in my opinion, in my experience, the colored units be worse. So I can only imagine, but I wanted to throw it out there, let you guys know how I feel about the unit, and you can let me know what you feel about the unit. Okay, comment down below. I am interested in hearing you guys' opinion. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Tell me questions or something I may have left out. Feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you lovers next time. Bye.
Yeah.